Welcome to Wicklow District Credit Union. My name is Michael Fitzpatrick, and today we're going to meet some of our special members. We're 60 years old this year, and some of our members have fantastic stories of how this credit union has helped them build houses, helped them educate their family, buy the little things, help out with Santa. And later on today then we're going to talk about the exciting future. After 60 years, it's time for us to expand. It's time for us to offer more things for our members. Mortgages, current accounts, insurance. This credit union is going to look after its members for the next 60 years.
There's a secret in your credit union. Insurance. Loan insurance. Savings insurance. And the future for credit unions is providing home insurance, car insurance and travel insurance. What people don't understand or don't know, and we don't tell them enough, is that if you have a car loan or a house loan or a home loan or any loan with your credit union and you unfortunately die, that loan is covered, it's cleared. Your savings, and this doesn't cost our members anything. But in a similar situation, if you're unfortunate enough to pass before you're 55, but you had 10,000 in savings, not only will your dependents get the 10,000, but they're getting an insurance payout of 10,000, double your money. And end of life, death benefit insurance. Again, a secret that we don't talk about, that we don't tell people about. But if you pass away, there's going to be what colloquially is called the death grant, there for you in your local credit union, up to 2,300 to help with your burial expenses. But of course the future is, what other insurance products could we get for members? And there's a great product, a great company out there now called People Insurance for credit unions, giving you discounted car insurance, discounted home loan insurance, home insurance and travel insurance. Your credit union insures you.
So, Wicklow this year, 2023, we're celebrating 60 years. People will ask, what's the next 60 years? Well, I believe to offer more services to our members, the next 60 years is about getting bigger. It's about a merger. And to deliver a merger to our members, what will that give them? For the next 60 years, it will give our younger members access to mortgages. It will give them access to insurance, discounted insurance products. It will give them a new app. We were all about personality, we're all about being in person, but the future of the credit union is to be digital when you need it, but personal when you want it. The future of our credit union will be a merger across Wicklow, the county of Wicklow, bringing more services to our members and getting our members' money to work. We have so much of our member savings sitting there doing nothing. To get that out there, mortgages into the current accounts, digital apps for our younger members. The future's bright for Wicklow District Credit Union.
I'm a junior driver from Glenealy in County Wicklow, and I've been a member of the credit union for years and years. When I was down in Abbey Street, I joined, and then a lot of my neighbours were all in Providence and weren't able to pay their bills and never getting anywhere. So I got them into the credit union. And I brought the books in every week. I think they used to hate me coming because I'd have about 20 books belonging to different people. But then after a while they were, when they got used to it and used to paying, they were able to bring in their own books and do their own thing.
Now, did you get your bit of business done downstairs?
I did. I have to go back.
You have to go back and do some more. Good woman. Sure. You're bringing half of the Neely in here.
Yeah.
I tell you, that's some tough hurling team you have up there now at the moment.
Oh no, they're not.
But, and the abuse I get bringing my little lads down from Bray, it's unbelievable. How long are you involved with Glenealy hurling?
Over 40 years.
40 years. And the community games?
Longer.
Longer. Yeah. And you're president of community games?
President of Wicklow Community Games, yeah.
And the credit union ever help Glenealy now with the new pitches? And
oh, yeah, they have to say now they were brilliant, because, you know, when you get a grant for the pitches, you have to get 20%
up front.
You know, of the grant.
Yeah.
And the credit union were brilliant.
Yeah.
They came on board with us.
Yeah, because you have to do a whole business plan and everything.
You have, yeah.
And the banks, they're not able to handle that at all.
No, and with the banks, they look for too much personal details.
I know, yeah.
Which you shouldn't have to give.
Yeah.
You know, but have to say now the credit union.
Yeah.
They're on board, and they're still on board because we still get grants.
I know.
So
brand new. We played on that new Astro up there. Fantastic.
Oh,
facility.
that is absolutely brilliant.
Now, 60 years, we're going strong 60 years. Yeah. And for the next 60 years, what do you think we should be doing now to get in new young people? Are we still relevant to the young people at Glenealy?
Yeah, when you get talking to them and getting them, explain to them if they're going for a mortgage, if they're going for a car, and they get hire purchase on the car. And I'd say, well, now, if anything happened to you, you still have to pay the hire purchase. But if you're in the credit union, you don't have to.
You don't have to. The insurance covers the loan, and then the savings insurance as well is fantastic. So we have a lot of secrets we should be telling people every day.
And I tell you what's brilliant, especially young mothers and the Christmas saving.
Oh yeah.
That is the best thing to have the credit union ever brought.
Fantastic, yeah.
That you can put in so much, a week, and a lot of them wouldn't know about it, and you tell them, and I didn't know that, I must go, in there, and I think the mortgages.
You were mentioning mortgages, like that's the future, the next 60 years. You'll see. We're going to have mortgages. We're going to have current accounts. We're going to have insurance, and then the credit union insurance now is a great product. That people insurance. I've actually changed my house insurance and my car insurance. They were the most competitive in the market now this year. So I think that is the future. So we have your grandkids will be able to come in here and get a mortgage. Sure, Wicklow's booming with new houses. All we need to do now is get mortgages for it.
It's mortgages because I had a son that was getting a mortgage. Yeah. But because he had a credit union now, he was turned down.
He was turned down, yeah.
So I said, you wait till the credit union.
Wait till we have them.
And I said, Michael won't. He'll give you a credit, I'll give you a mortgage.
Oh, well, provided the paperwork is in order now.
It is in order, but, having a loan in the credit union won't affect it.
No, it won't. Union. No, it'd be advantage to have a loan because it has a history built up.
Yeah.
One thing that we need to get across here in Ireland is the new property ladder. All of our youth struggling to find houses, to get on the housing list. People don't understand, but 75% of home loans in North America, USA and Canada are done by credit unions. Future credit unions in Ireland is going to be giving those loans to our members. Wicklow District Credit Union, within the next couple of months, will be able to give mortgages of up to 400,000 to our members. As I say, the new property ladder, it's there to be scaled, and credit unions are going to be a big part of it. Credit unions are not only going to use their funds to help members buy property, they're going to use their funds to invest in approved housing bodies so that social and affordable houses can be built. We use our funds locally to benefit our members, locally, to benefit people in need of housing, all local. Your credit union, it's there for you.
Volunteering is very hard now to get volunteers. What would you think about volunteering in the credit union? Like it was great for you. You give it back.
I tell you, it was great to have somebody from the village, and if anyone wanted a loan, and if
they could vouch for them.
Yeah,
and knew who they were.
And you could vouch the other way as well.
Oh, you could, yeah. He would say, stay away from that. Yeah.
You'd say, I have a friend of mine that wanted to do him, and now that she's 80 odd now, and I got her into the credit union, and every week she'd say to me, "That's the one thing I have to thank you for."
Yeah.
As getting me in. It was the best thing ever happened to me.
Yeah, yeah. And you were saying earlier, you know, back in the day, people were stuck. They went to the Providence and the Fidelity, all of these doorstep lenders. Yeah. And I mean, that's why the credit union movement was set up, was to get them out those.
Yeah. And then when you came in, you were able to pay your ESB here.
Oh yeah, you could do all the bill payments.
You could do. So when they came in, I used to have the ESBs as well for
as
them.
well as the books.
Oh yeah. Because some of them are going to get put off.
Oh yeah.
So I, when I got them up, got the loan for them.
Yeah.
And then we got rid of Providence. Yeah. And they only had the credit union loan, and it wasn't going up.
And they're never let alone, weren't they? Oh,
no. And same with the ESB. I'd say get your ESB, whatever your bill is, divided by 8.
Yeah.
And that's what you have to pay weekly.
Yeah.
Because it's every 2 months.
You kept a new fridge or a new whatever they needed. Their ESB switched on. They're telling well done. Yeah.
And then the holidays after that.
But we didn't put that down for holidays, did we?
No.
Because different things happen in a credit union manager's day to day. One of the greatest things to be able to do is to do something that no other financial institution could do in the town. This happened recently now. It was a member, they were looking to put a sensory room in their back garden, 15,000 of a loan. The member had 2 teenage autistic children. You can imagine when the application came in, 15,000 over 3 years, the repayments were massive. Obviously, somebody with 2 autistic children can't work, doesn't have an income, is relying on social welfare. So the computer says no. But when you have another look, have a chat with the member, it's amazing what you can do. 15,000 over 10 years is a weekly repayment of €24.70, €27, including interest. You can, in a credit union, you can make it happen. The joy that's brought on to that family will last them now for 8 to 10 years. It's fantastic to be able to do that. Only is that possible in the credit union movement.